నమస్కారము. ఈరోజు మనం వర్డ్ టాస్క్లో ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ కొన్నింటిని చూద్దాము. ఇందులో మొదటగా మనం క్లూస్ చూద్దాం. పిగ్స్. Fill in the blanks to see how these animals help us. Clues. Pigs, dogs, bullocks, donkeys, camels, alive fur, goats and sheep, cats and rabbits, ducks and hens, cows, goats and buffaloes, horses. ఇవి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి క్లూస్. ఈ క్లూస్ ఆధారంగా మనం ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఆన్సర్ చేద్దాం. Dash plow the farmer's field and pull his cart. This is the question. Dash plow the farmer's field and pull his cart. Think. The answer is bullocks. Second one. Dash carry loads for men. Think. What is the answer? The correct answer is donkeys. Donkeys carry loads for men. Dash carry people to long distances. Which animal? The answer is camel. Camels carry people to long distances. Dash and dash give us eggs. The question is dash and dash give us eggs. Guess what is the answer? The answer is ducks and hens. Ducks and hens give us eggs. We make bacon and ham from the meat of dash. Guess which animal? The answer is pigs. We make bacon and ham from the meat of pigs. We get mutton from dash and dash. The answer is goats and sheep. We get mutton from goats and sheep. Dash, dash and dash give us milk. Guess which animals? The correct answer is cows, goats and buffaloes gives us milk. We make leather from the skin of dash and dash. The correct answer is cows and buffaloes. We make leather from the skin of cows and buffaloes. We keep dash and dash as pets. ఈ క్లూస్ లో నుంచి మనం వీటి ఆన్సర్ ని చూస్ చేయాలి. We keep dash and dash as pets. The correct answer is cats and rabbits. We keep cats and rabbits as pets. We make carpets and blankets from dash hair. ఈ క్లూస్ లో నుంచి దీనికి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఆన్సర్ ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయండి. We make carpets and blankets from dash hair. The correct answer is horses. Minks and silver foxes are more useful when dash than when killed for dash. The correct answer is alive for. Thank you.